Okay, so I really wanted to talk about this because it's extremely important to me. The UAP sightings and reportings are starting to add up, and the result could be very frightening.
Enough is enough. I want to cue up a video that I've been given. And as before it starts, I'm going to describe. This was taken October 30th of 2024. This video is of an MQ-9 drone tracking an orb, or this object, off the coast of Yemen. You'll see that another MQ-9 launched a Hellfire missile.
Okay, while this is still rolling, Mr. Nusatelli, real quick yes or no answers. Are you aware of anything in the government, United States government arsenal that can split a Hellfire missile like this?
No.
And do whatever blob thing it did and then keep going? Nothing?
Nothing.
All right, how about you, Chief Wiggins?
Nothing to my knowledge, ma'am.
Okay, and how about you, Mr. Borland?
I prefer to answer that in a skiff.
Does this video scare you guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wiggins?
Yes.
Nat?
I had a different reaction. I was really happy that it got out. Thanks for providing
Curiosity
that,
kills the cat. All right, Mr. Borland?
Yes.
UAP are displaying impossible means of flight, evasive strategy, and the abilities to go through solid matter is both cause for concern and understanding. Concern for our safety as lesser life forms and accepting that we can only achieve a higher sense of understanding by working together and putting petty arguments to the side. The discussion if UAP are real should be behind us. Disclosure has already come through the means of a whisper, but it has come nonetheless. Now we need to collaborate with each other in order to reach new levels of understanding who, what, and why they are here. This discussion, however, cannot happen while people are being silenced.
When I arrived on scene, I talked to 5 shaken witnesses who described a massive triangular craft larger than a football field that hovered silently for about 45 seconds over their entry control point before shooting away at impossible speed. I was off duty, sitting in my backyard with 2 other police officers when we noticed what first appeared to be a satellite in orbit, but it wasn't acting like a satellite. The light was strange, it was pulsing, and then it started to maneuver. It dropped in elevation. At times it would vanish from view and reappear in a different location in the sky. And eventually it reappeared 200 feet over my house. It was a 30-foot diameter sphere of light. My friends and I watched it for a moment, and then it gently accelerated and traveled up and disappeared into the stars.
I saw an approximately 100-foot equilateral triangle take off from near the NASA hangar on the base. The craft interfered with my telephone, did not have any sound, and the material it was made of appeared fluid or dynamic. I was under this triangular craft for a few minutes, and then it rapidly ascended to commercial jet level in seconds, displaying 0 kinetic disturbance, sound, or wind displacement.
Mr. Knapp, have you heard about events like this occurring?
There was a guy named Bob Jacobs who was a lieutenant attached to Vandenberg in 1964. His unit would record missile tests. They recorded all of them. On one of these particular tests, a UFO comes out of nowhere, zaps what looks like a laser beam at what would have been a nuclear dummy, a nuclear weapon, and disabled it. And he is called into the commander's office. 2 guys in suits clip that film footage out that shows the UFO, and he's ordered to never talk about it.
With that said, I turn my attention to an interesting dilemma. Let's say Jake Barber and his team were in fact summoning UAP through meditation and sound waves. What if the simple action of deep thought and a truly open heart to the wonders of the universe were to be the very key needed to summon these orbs and the like to an area? Like casting your personal soul frequency into the vast of space, intentionally or not, and these are the responses.
Mr. Nusatelli, you were in the Air Force, right?
Yes.
Did you believe in UFOs prior to your encounter?
I've always been interested.
Okay.
Yes.
Chief Wiggins, you're currently in the Navy, is that correct?
Correct.
Did you believe in UFOs before your encounter?
I did. I'm from Las Vegas, and I've watched George Knapp my whole life.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Borland?
I have always been open to where facts go, so.
But what if you were very focused on UAP and wanting to see them? What if you checked for the UAP constantly, and one day you got the responses in the form of a fleet of UAP, arriving to say hello, We are here and we do hear you. Then skip hopping back to space, never to be seen again.
Two of them. We finally hit pay dirt. Now we've got two of them in the sky on South Mountain. Figure this one out. There's a double. There's a third one.
Oh my God! Oh.
I hit pay dirt. Finally.
Notice how she mentions that these ones are different and that he had his camera out ready for something to happen.
This is South Mountain. That's the city in front of us. Those lights have appeared.
Well, that is a totally different configuration than we've ever seen before.
Yep. I'm sitting over here saying to myself, I got the camera. Oh, now that one went out to the.
That one went off.
They're going off now, right?
Yep.
One drop.
Went off.
The thing that's amazing is that it must be so bright that they would carry, because we're looking at about 25 miles away. The middle one now.
There one. Oh,
another
one.
There's another one.
Yep,
last
there
one.
was one.
We have the last one left. Still burning.
And usually we've seen them over.
It's gone.
My point in talking about this is, what if we are summoning without even knowing? Maybe that's why people are being abducted.
Hey, are we still going to Borland?
Yeah, definitely. Let me just finish. I'm just rambling. I'll be out in a minute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the hype button if you think people should hear about this. And thank you for watching the video. Bye for now. Mr. Borland will play us out.
I swore an oath to the Constitution of the United States, an oath that demands truth and transparency for our democratic republic to function. Each day, these truths remain hidden from our citizens. Humanity drifts further from the principles our nation was founded to uphold. Each day, victims of crimes committed by agencies and companies maintaining this secrecy are denied justice as another day our Constitution is shredded. In 2023, Patriots provided this committee and the executive branch with undeniable proof of the UAP reality, and I commend your continued commitment. The future of humanity is one which we either travel to the stars or regress to the Stone Age with this technology. My career has been to deliver critical information to decision makers. Your role as elected by your representatives is to act on it. The time to act is now. Thank you.